Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure DBeaver. Then we will see how to connect to MySQL and PostgreSQL using DBeaver. Click on Activities, open Firefox or any browser. Go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See, we have two types of DBeaver editions, DBeaver Pro and DBeaver Community. Pro means commercial, that means we have to purchase. So we are going to install DBeaver Community. Also see here, DBeaver Community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, everyone working with data. It supports all popular databases like MySQL, MariDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. Okay, now click on this download button. See here, the installation is same for Fedora or Red Hat or Rocky Linux or CentOS or almost Linux. Okay, click on this Linux RPM package. See, once we clicked on, it has started the downloading this RPM package. Wait until this download completes. Now open terminal, then go to downloads. ls c. We have DBeaver CE means Community Edition RPM package. ls sudo. Now install DBeaver by running the command sudo rpm -ivh, then rpm package name DBeaver. It's a simple process. Yeah, completed. Okay, now click on activities, then search for DBeaver. See, we have DBeaver CE, that is Community Edition. Click on it. DBeaver is like Workbench for MySQL and pgadmin for PostgreSQL. Close this one. I don't want to create sample database. Close this one. Do not send. See, this is the DBeaver console. Now we are going to see how to connect to MySQL. Click on this new database connection. Here we have n number of database applications. Okay, if you are unable to find in the top list, just type here MySQL. See, we have different ones. Okay, click on the first one, that is MySQL. Click on next. Here we have to provide server host, that is localhost or IP or full name of the MySQL server installed. And this is the port, that is 3306, and provide the database name. Let's see list of MySQL databases. Go to this one. So connect to MySQL -u root -p. Control L to clear screen. Show databases. I have this user database R2 schools. Then username is root and password, and we have to provide password for this root user. Click on text connection. Click on download. See, connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. One database connection is added, that is R2 schools. Expand databases. See, we have these databases. Expand tables. See, I have one table. you want to see the structure of this table, right click on it, generate SQL and click on this DDL. See, I have created table with this syntax. This is the way to find out or generate MySQL table structure. If you want to create another database, right click on it and click on create new database. Here we have to provide name for the database. I am giving R2 test. These are the settings of the database. Click on OK. See, new database is added. You can also verify from the MySQL shell. See, new database is added. If you want to execute any queries, right click and click on SQL editor and select open SQL console. See, we have connected to R2 schools database. Now run select star from students. Select this text and click on this execute button. See, I have one row. Now we are going to see how to connect to PostgreSQL. Click on this new database connection. Select the PostgreSQL, click on next. If you want to provide host information, you have to click on host. Otherwise, if you want to go URL, just here we have to provide the URL. If you want to give different username, you have to provide username. But it is better to go to, so database name I am giving R2 schools, which is already there in the PostgreSQL server. Exit sudo Ctrl L to create PSQL. /L is the command to check the list of the databases. See, I have R2 schools database. So I am giving R2 schools, provide the password of the user. Click on text connection. Again click on download. See, connected. Okay, which means connection is success. Click on OK. Click on finish. See, we have two database connections. One is for MySQL and the second is for PostgreSQL server. Expand this one. Expand database. See, I have R2 database. Expand this one. Expand schemas. Public, then tables. See, I have one table. If you want to see table structure of this student table, click on right click and click on generate SQL, then click on DDL. See, this is the statement that I used to create this students table. Okay, close it. If you want to create database, you have to right click on this post, then select create and select database. Here we have to provide owner, then template, database and encoding and table space. Okay, I am giving database name is R2 users. Click on OK. See, new database added. Now go to the shell. Again run the same command. See, R2 users is added. If you want to run queries against this database, right click on the database and click on SQL editor and select open SQL console. Run select star from students. Select the statement and click on this execute button. See, there is no data. Whatever the operations can be performed in PSQL, we can perform those here. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure DBeaver on Fedora Linux server. The process is same for all the Fedora Linux versions. Then we have seen how to create MySQL database connection and PostgreSQL database connection in DBeaver tool. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.